I woke up with the craziest idea today. Let's go for a ride. Which doesn't seem like something that should be crazy, but as of late, it's crazy to just, enjoy yourself for a minute. So I'm gonna throw this on the handlebar or something and we'll figure something out. No music, I don't do that stuff, but I think I'll just head west out in the fields where there's no people to annoy me. I forgot to mention that we'll be riding this for the first time since I put the bars on and the wheel on. First time because the bike's had no oil in it since yesterday. So oil's good. It's in there now. Back wheel will be here Monday according to FedEx tracking. So I got mismatched wheels. I don't care. It kind of fits me because I'm a little off myself. So let's see how this rides with these new bars and this big ass rim. So verdict. Perfect. Really. I'm beside myself. Did you see me kick that 392 Scat Pack Charger's ass? Yeah. We were racing. I mean, I was racing. I don't think he knew, but it's still, I whipped his ass. I don't know if you saw that there, but not really. Coming on 103 twin cam, it's all right, you know, but anyway. Some things I was concerned about. I was worried about wheel wobble. I was worried about the bike suddenly not tracking straight. I was worried about the bars being too far back. And they are, but it's not like it's a bad thing. It's just the reality of it. Because I checked, I don't think they can be rolled forward. I think they're all the way forward on the little slits on the so, not too much vibration in the bars. I could probably actually put the solid bushings in, but I've put too much work into them things. I don't want to screw with it anytime soon. The one thing I was worried about that is not an issue is when you do ABS brakes, sometimes it'll throw the ABS code and you have to clear it out and all that crap. Didn't. I mean, ABS light was on when I took off, as it should be, and went away. So she's perfect. Not a bit of problem. I'm really impressed. It was nice to get it out and ride it again, and ride it in sort of a position that I would want to ride it in, except for the bars being far back, but whatever. So I'm not going to cut this video off today because today, shortly here being delivered, is I have a saddle coming for that thing to get rid of one studded thing on it. There's going to be one stud on there. That's enough. I'm sorry to joke. It never gets old. So I got a new seat coming for it today, and I got a new dash panel coming next week or the week after. I don't know. It's from a little guy who makes them. So not a little. I mean, I don't know if he's little, but anyway. So we'll have a new saddle. I'll put that on and we'll try that out before I cut this video off for today. It's I already know it's going to be uncomfortable, but it's gonna look cool. Ha! I stand before you filled with anger and rage. This is the seat off my 2014 Heritage Softail Cholo Vicla. Whatever you wanna call it, bike. Bracket with the 2 holes. You know, same kind of setup they have been for years. This is the seat that I received today that I bought for aforementioned 2014 Heritage Softail Classic. Bought it on Amazon, but a motorsports dealer was the one that actually shipped it. And the reason it kind of sucks is I think they probably knew this, but Amazon didn't. So this is for a 2003 to 2017 Harley FLS. This is an FLS TC. An FLS is a Softail Slim. So this is the single bolt setup for a Softail Slim. Does not fit an FLS TC. So I was excited for this seat too, and I set it on there and it looks great. Like, it looks nice and slim and painful, like I'm looking for that bike. I want it to hurt, you know. But this seat I paid $260 for it. Not even $250, $260 for this seat. Nicely made. It's a Saddleman, nice seat. And it was in stock, which is key these days because nothing's in stock. And got the seat. Evidently it was drop shipped from Saddleman too, it looks like. UPS, I was like, wow, because it was here in 2 days. Like, at the dealers in North Carolina, and I guess Saddleman kind of drop shipped it to my house and came UPS, and I was like, wow, that's great service, and then it doesn't fit. So I'm angry, and now I have to repack everything up and take it back to Amazon, and or not Amazon, take it back to UPS, and they'll ship it. And so this dealer, I'm guessing someone has got to pay the shipping, it's not me. So somebody shipped this thing for free, and then it came here and it's wrong, and now somebody's got to pay to ship it back for free. So it's a loser, man. Classify your shit right, Amazon. I mean, really, like, you're costing people money by having stuff. Because I went back and checked. I'm like, no, wait a minute. I know better than that, and I know what I should have done. But I went and checked, and it's actually, you know, your vehicle selector 2014. This fits your vehicle. Green, green, green. And I even checked other websites. I think it's I think J&P says it fits too, where you hit Fitment and it says 2000 something, and Heritage is under there. I think again it's just that whole FLS, and they're like, oh yeah, it fits. And TC versus no TC is different fender. So son of a bitch, I was excited to put on my new seat and hurt. I mean, you know what I'm talking about. I wanted this saddle that comes on that Heritage is big and studded and there's conchos on it. It's just not my style. And it's, again, big, it's wide, makes the bike look goofy. This bike will look good with a nice slim seat on it, so it'll hurt me. So now I gotta find a damn seat. Comment down below, really, comment down below if you know of a good bar hopper seat that looks good for a late model. This is still considered fairly late model bike. Softail, that'll go on a Heritage, that has the 2 thumb screws, you know. Woo! Anyway, let me know if you know of anything. And before I forget, I don't say this enough, please hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe and all that stuff if you're not. Really appreciate it, means a lot to us. Anyway, I imagine you'll see this on Thursday. Yeah, and then Friday's live stream day. So come join us Friday night, 8 o'clock Eastern on YouTube. Me and the missus will be broadcasting and drinking whiskey and telling stories, and you know, and we just pay attention to the side chat, and you guys can tell jokes and we'll laugh and chat back and forth and have a good old time. We have a blast. We have anywhere from 400 to 600 people on it, and this time I have all the settings right in advance, so there won't be like a blur of text that no one can read. So come join us Friday night, have a drink, hang out. See you then. Take care of each other out there. Bye.